Happy 4th of July. Thanks for stopping by my channel. It's me, Nikki. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Just sharing a little bit of our barbecue today. Of course, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I have been suffering with some allergies, so I am happy that my daughters helped me out so much today, and my husband did an amazing job on the barbecue today. I did some Takis on corn on the cob, and my girls did the cakes and the dessert tray. So I hope you stick around and watch the video so you can see how my girls made the food and how we got things going. Thank you all so much for stopping by and enjoy the video. So Mary Helen is just getting the cake ready, and she is using the Betty Crocker cake mix box and getting that ready. And I was gonna do big red cake with the flag on top of the big red cake, but like I said, I wasn't feeling too well, so this is one of Mary Helen's favorite cakes. She loves red velvet with the cream cheese frosting, and it came out really good. So the flag on the cake was supposed to be made with raspberries, not strawberries, but the raspberries for some reason spoiled overnight, or I don't know if they were bought like that, but for whatever reason we ended up using the strawberries, and I think it came out pretty good. I think the raspberries would have been a better look, but it came out pretty good, and the cake tasted very delicious, and she did a very good job. You could even add some Cool Whip in the middle, or bananas. We just decided to leave it like that, and it came out really nice. But yeah, you can for sure add more layers of things. For the fruit tray, that's going to be the flag. You can do marshmallows. I saw that a lot on Pinterest. Some people were just doing marshmallows and raspberries. But we decided to do bananas, strawberries, and then the blueberries. And it came out really good. This was so fast and easy to make, and it looked really nice laid out on the table with the cake. It just, I don't know, it just made it really look nice for the occasion, and my husband was eating these like crazy. And of course I had to do the Takis on the cob because I love the way they look. It just, I don't know, they taste good, they look good on the table, and it's red, and we got that red, white, and blue going on. And plus, my kids love this, and my husband loves Takis on the cob. He cannot just eat a regular corn on the cob. It has to have Takis on it. So I don't know, I had fun making these, and of course eating them. Not to mention these desserts and this side, it's so fast and easy to make. It's not time consuming at all, and it looks really nice and tastes really good. You can drizzle whatever hot sauce you like. This is Valentina. My daughter loves this. I love it too, and I love to squeeze a lemon or a lime. Whatever you choose, I always do a lemon and squeeze it. Oh my goodness, it tastes so much better. You might want to try that out. I have like a big barbecue, but my husband did some chicken, some burgers, some jalapeno wraps. We were good with that. I only had like one side, which was macaroni salad, and plus the Takis with the corn on the cob and some dessert. But everything tasted good, it went good. So I hope you guys have a great 4th of July from my family to yours. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.